how to generate worksheets for students using Magic School AI. So in order to do that, just click on this search right here and search in here for worksheet. Now you should be able to see this worksheet generator. Head over and click on this worksheet generator right here and then put in here the grade level that you're working with. So for example, right here, let's put in here the 9th grade and let's put in here the Pythagorean theorem. Now from in there, click on this generate right here. You can also add some clips or some files that can use for this one. Now in here, it will show you this case. So this will be the worksheet that you can actually give the students. So for starters, it has right here an introduction for this case, and it also has fill in the blank based on this particular image or the text that we have right here. So it actually has 1 to 5, and you can also have in here this word bank if you want, but you can also remove that if you want to as well. You can put in here also multiple choice questions, which is also around 1 to 5, and you can also have in here this open-ended questions. You can also see in here the answer key that you will be used for your actual worksheet that you have made for students. So you can head over and click on this export right here or copy right here in order to export this particular worksheet that you have created with Magic School AI. So that's how you generate worksheets for students using Magic School AI. Hope we helped.